Hello everyone, welcome to my channel WebKit. Yes, I am your Nagendra. Today I am going to show you how to add background image in Microsoft Visual Studio. Okay, let's start. First of all, open your Visual Studio and you create any website or project. I have created a demo website here. You just right click on it and I'm going to add a new item. I'm going to save it as pictures.aspx. Okay, add. Again, I'm going to create a new folder called pics. We have to add some pictures here. You just select any pictures. I'm going to select this image. Okay, copy and right click on that pic folder, just paste here. Okay, now I'm going to add my background image to this pictures web form. For better look, I'm going to add one button and text box. Now just click here, then right click, go to properties, go to background, and we have our image in this pics folder. Select that and click OK. That's it. Let's run and check now. Yes, that's it. Okay guys, if you find this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button so that you won't miss my upcoming videos. See you in next video. Have a nice day. Bye guys.